How to make a passive income for free in 2021. If you have got no money, no experience, no technical skills, and you want to get started with a copy and paste method to make money online, stay tuned. Now I'm going to show you step by step and some free resources on how you can do this, and you'll want to stay right till the end because I'm going to show you how you can double your return on this. Now if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and just comment below I've subscribed, and I answer every question. So just type in the comment section I've subscribed and I'll answer your questions. So the website that we're going to be using today is Skillshare. Now if you have a look there, and a lot of people think Skillshare is you're going to be buying courses, but what we're doing the smart way is we're going to be uploading courses. We're going to upload a course. Now in a moment I'm going to show you, don't freak out about that. I'm going to show you how you can get all this for nothing. And if you have a look here, there's many different courses on many different categories. So this is really a website where you can make good passive income, because you're going to spend a bit of time, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours in the beginning, but then you continue to get paid over and over for years in some cases. Now this is pretty well a copy and paste method. You don't need to be smart, you don't have to have technical skills, and you don't have to have had any experience. And in a few moments I'm going to show you towards the end of the video how one simple 5-minute extra bit of work can almost double your income. And if you think of that for over years and years, that's quite a substantial increase. So you'll want to wait till the end. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is become a teacher. So we're going to scroll to the bottom, right down to the footer, and we're going to click on Become a Teacher. Then we're just going to click over here on Start a Class. So it gives you some choices on how to sign up. You can use your Google account, Facebook, or with an email. So just click on Sign Up, and we will use our Google account in this case, just because it makes it simple to sign in. Now don't be too concerned that it asks you for credit card details for 7-day trial. Now this is if you were going to be viewing or buying the courses. You're a course creator, so we go over here and click on My Classes. So what we're going to do then is we go up here to Teach, and we're going to create a class. Okay, so now we're just going to click on Start a Class again, and you can see this is where we're taken. Now what we need to do is upload our videos. Now in a moment I'm going to show you where to get those videos, how to make those videos, and you'll be really impressed at how we do that. And of course over here we just click on class info to give all the and we'll put what the class title is, a class description, and then the projects that they will need to do in their class. And once you've done all that, filled out all that, uploaded your video, chosen categories, all those sorts of things, you just go over here and you can either save draft if you want to do anything with it because you're not finished, and then you just click on Publish. And then you just sit back and wait for the money to come in. And you'll need to get to a certain threshold before you can withdraw money, and that can be into your bank account, it can be into your PayPal. All right, now I've just gone back to video lessons here because this is really important. Here it says Skillshare classes average 20 to 60 minutes total running time, divided into short video lessons of 2 to 5 minutes each. To publish your class, the combined length of all your videos must total at least 10 minutes. Teachers may upload a maximum of 1 class per week. So that's 1 class per week. So just do what they say, because you're setting this up to have an income, a passive income for the long term. And the worst thing that could happen is you get banned because you don't follow their terms. It's pretty straightforward. It's laid out. So 1 class per week. So the next thing, obviously, we've got to create a video, and we're going to go into that in a moment, how we actually do that before, and how we edit everything to upload it before we upload it. So the next thing, obviously, we've got to pick out a niche that we're going to create a video around. And if you have a look through here it has many categories, and we're just going to choose one. So what we want is people that have lots and lots of views, because more eyes, more traffic, and more, the opportunity for more sales. Now I wanted to make it easy for you, so I've already chosen a niche. Now it's the motivational speech. So I'm over here on YouTube now, just having a look through here. 26,000 views, and that's been posted less than a day ago. 689,000 views a month ago. 33 million views 1 year ago. 248,000 views 3 weeks ago. 664,000 views 3 months ago. So this gets a lot of traction, a lot of traffic, and this is the sort of that niche that we want to get, we want to maximize. And coincidentally, there's also a category on Skillshare called productivity, because people struggle with motivation and keeping motivated and being productive, and not all the time, but at different stages in people's lives. And you've seen the views that they get, so it's a great niche to be in. Now there's a couple of ways we could do this. Originally I was going to show you how we could take the text and recreate them by copy and pasting. But if you have a look here at the top in YouTube, there's a filter. Now, if you have a look here under features, there's a area there that says Creative Commons. Now what Creative Commons is, that allows you to use these videos for your own use. And I'll just let it load. Now sometimes these filters are not right, but so what you would do is go into one of these videos and make sure that it actually is a Creative Commons video. So you just click on that, you would scroll to the bottom when the video loads. So this one is not Creative Commons, so we'll go back and find another one. I think I clicked on that the second time and actually turned it off. So we've just scrolled to the bottom, look for the licensing conditions, and it says Creative Commons. So this is great. Reuse allowed. Now we're just going to scroll through here and find one that's about 15 minutes long. That's ideal. It's okay. I've settled on this one here. It's only 8 minutes long. But what we need to do now is to download that. And if you see here, I've got a little, it's a extension that allows me to download that to my computer. Now I've just gone over here, there's several of these, and I've just gone to YouTube and typed in YouTube downloader, and you'll find this one here is Save from Net. That's the one I'm using, and you can choose any of these. And what we're going to do then is download this video to our computer. And I'm also going to show you the other way, because we really want something around the 15-minute. Now there may be some others in there. I've spent a bit of time and haven't found the type of video, but this is the type of video with the background images, the music, and the voice. So we're going to download this one to our computer. So it's only about 90 megabytes, so it won't take all that long. I think it's actually finished downloading. I've got a pretty fast internet connection here. Now I want to show you the other way. So let's go back here and we'll do the search again, but we're not going to use Creative Commons this way. All right, so let's go to, now what we're going to do here is we're going to click on this here. I think this one's about 10 minutes as well. Ideally find one that's about 16 minutes long. Now what we want to do, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through this video, manually write down all the text that's in this video. Now this is not copyright. In a moment I'm going to show you where we get images, how we put all this together. So just stay with me at the moment. So go through the video, write down everything that's said, and we're going to use this shortly. So once you've got all that from the start to finish, all the script written down, what you're going to do then is you're going to record this. Now our mobile phones today, with just the video, just the audio that you've got, is good enough quality for this. Just make sure you find a quiet room that it doesn't echo, and so then you're going to record this now and then we're going to put images to that, and I'll show you in a moment where we're going to get those from. So just go through, write all the text down, all the script, and then we're going to read that text into our phone, record that. All right, so we're going to come over to a website now called Pexels. Now we want some background images, or even on here that we've got video, so you can see here photos. So just type in nature or something like that and see what comes up. We're looking for relaxing things that images that we're going to make a video of behind your audio. Now, if you whichever one of these you choose, you can see you just click on download and download it to your computer. Now, as I said, there's videos. If you just click on here, and these are royalty free, so there's no issue with using them. Put up there, people create them and allow you to use them for free. So if you have a look, do a search for nature. There's some nice, there won't be audio behind it, that's okay. I'll just play that. And same thing, you just download it. I think my screen capture software is making it hard to load at the moment. So there we go. Now, many of these won't be the 15 minutes you need. So go through, find them, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can put several of these together to make your 15-minute video. Okay, so you've downloaded your audio, you've got your audio off your phone. Now you've downloaded enough videos to make your 15 minutes. Now we want to do is combine them together. Now to do that, we can use this free video editing software called openshot.org. Now, to be able to use that, just go onto YouTube and do a quick search for OpenShot video editor tutorials, and you'll get, a great tutorial on how you actually can use it. Because we're not out to make a masterpiece. We don't want to do transitions. We don't want to do any of those things. What we're using it for is to be able to put our videos together and add our audio to it, and a really simple video. Now, this software is free, and I believe it will work across most different platforms, Windows, PC, Mac, Linux even. So now there's all these other categories that you can create courses in. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to do internet marketing, it doesn't matter what your category is, go across here and do the same thing. Open the video and write down all the script, then go and get images and put it together. Now, that's another software I'm going to show you here if you actually wanted to get, and you know how to do it, and use free screen capture software so that you can do what I'm doing here, is sharing your screen. And this is the software. It's called OBS, and it's free. You download it, and it allows you to capture your screen if you want to do videos like that. And you may be doing a course about something where you want to share your screen, doing instruction, teaching something that way, where you can use OBS Studio for that. So as you can see, now you've got several options. First was downloading a Creative Commons video. The next was taking the script, writing down the script, recording it on your phone. And now if you want to do a training, as in be able to show your laptop screen, your computer screen, what you're actually doing, you can download this OBS. And again, use your phone for the audio, and then you use the OpenShot video editor to combine them together. And you can do this over and over again with many different niches. You're not limited at all. Now, I said that I was going to show you how you could, an extra 5 minutes of work, how you could almost double the income you get from doing this. Now, if you haven't got a YouTube channel, you could actually go and start a YouTube channel, and you can upload the video to your YouTube channel. Now, I would only upload half of it. So you could use your OpenShot video editor to cut the video in half, upload half of it to YouTube, and they're going to get paid. So what you would do in your YouTube channel, if you see here, I'm back at Skillshare, you go down to the bottom and there's a link there that says affiliates. So what you would do is towards the end of the video, when you've cut it in half, is say to get the full video, click on the link below, and that link will be the link that you've created as an affiliate, and so you will get paid for referring people to Skillshare. So there you go. It says become a Skillshare affiliate, earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. We partner with like-minded brand ambassadors to share new classes content being created on Skillshare. So you get paid $7 every time you refer someone to Skillshare. So you could be effectively doubling what you're getting from earning on your class by also referring people to Skillshare. And the other source of income is with YouTube. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you're able then to monetize your videos and have ads show on your videos, for which you get paid. So there's 3 sources of income. So you've got the income from your course on Skillshare, you get paid for referring affiliates to Skillshare, and you'll also monetize your YouTube channel where you can get paid referral fees, or not referral fees, but advertising fees for videos that are advertised on your channel. So that's how I'd make a passive income for free in 2000. Now, if you've got value from today's training, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos, leave a comment, and I always answer the comments. There's the link in the description. I show you how I make $1,500 per sale and how you can too. I'll see you in the next video.